Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance module. In today's video, we will understand bank guarantee management in Lighthouse ERP in a simple and beginner-friendly way. We'll learn what is a bank guarantee, difference between sales PG and purchase PG, complete process flow, how entries are created and approved in ERP. Let's begin. 1. What is a bank guarantee? Before going into ERP screens, let's understand conceptually. A bank guarantee, BG, is a commitment given by a bank on behalf of a company to a customer, sales BG, or a vendor, purchase BG. It ensures financial security in business transactions. There are two major types. 1. Sales bank guarantee, given to customer. 2. Purchase bank guarantee, given to vendor. Now let's see how this is handled inside Lighthouse ERP. Part 2. Sales bank guarantee process. Step 1. Sales bank guarantee plan. First, we create a bank guarantee plan. This screen is used to define customer name, BG amount, validity period, purpose of guarantee, bank details. After saving, the plan moves for approval. Step 2. Sales BG requisition. Next, we create a requisition entry. This means we are formally requesting issuance of the bank guarantee based on approved plan. Here we enter reference plan, amount, validity, bank details. Save and send for approval. After approval, system allows us to proceed with final issuance. Step 3. Sales BG entry, receipt. Now we create the actual bank guarantee entry receipt. Here we enter BG number, issue date, expiry date, bank name, commission charges if applicable. After saving, this is sent for approval. Once approved, the bank guarantee becomes active in the system. Avoid showing listing unless you want summary view. Part 3. Purchase bank guarantee process. Now let's understand the purchase side. The flow is similar. Plan, requisition, issue, approval. Step 1. Purchase BG plan. Here we define vendor name, BG amount, validity, purpose. Approval process follows. Step 2. Purchase BG requisition. Requisition is created based on approved plan. After saving, send for approval. Step 3. Purchase BG entry, issue. This is the final issuance stage. Here we enter BG number, issue date, expiry date, bank details, charges. After saving, approval required. Once approved, the BG becomes active. Important practical points. Plan must be approved before requisition. Requisition must be approved before entry. BG validity must be monitored. Expired BG should be closed properly. System maintains full control and tracking. Process summary. Sales BG flow. Plan, requisition, receipt, approval. Purchase BG flow, plan, requisition, issue, approval. All approvals are workflow controlled. This ensures financial discipline and bank liability tracking. In the next video, we will come back with a new process and understand it step by step in Lighthouse ERP. See you in the next video, learners.